Hydrogen has been part of our energy toolkit for centuries. Electrolysis and fuel cells date back nearly 200 years. Today, as new use cases emerge, old systems are retired or taken out of service for maintenance. In this video, we'll walk through key guidelines from CGA Standard H-7 to ensure a safe and effective process when taking a hydrogen system out of service. Let's dive in. There are 3 key steps you must follow, along with other important safety measures. Start by safely venting the gas. During this process, hydrogen is either recovered or vented through a stack. Venting can take time, so it's important to consider potential physical hazards and noise levels. It's important to know that hydrogen has a wide flammability range and a very low ignition energy. For these reasons, any release of hydrogen to the atmosphere could ignite. To ensure safety, always follow the guidance in CGA G5.5 for proper hydrogen venting procedures. Step 2. Maintaining proper grounding is just as important during decommissioning as it is during installation. Ensure that all equipment, including stationary vent stacks, remains grounded. If hydrogen is being transferred to another container, use bonding clamps to prevent any electrical discharge that could ignite remaining hydrogen. Step 3. You must purge the system of hydrogen until its concentration is less than 1%. For gaseous hydrogen systems, this involves purging with an inert gas, such as nitrogen or helium. For liquid systems, it's important to warm up the container before purging to prevent the purge gas from freezing or use helium instead. Once the system is purged, it can be labeled as inert, with the date and type of inert gas clearly noted. As always, make sure you have a proper safety plan and personal protective equipment in place before working with hydrogen. By following these steps, along with the other recognized best practices in H7, you can safely take a hydrogen system out of service, protecting both personnel and the surrounding environment. Remember, safety comes first in every phase of hydrogen system operation. This video is brought to you by the Compressed Gas Association's Safe Hydrogen Project. Visit us at safehydrogenproject.org for more information on hydrogen safety.